In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover lost Figma files. Restoring files with version history. If you've ever accidentally deleted a file or realized that recent edits aren't what you wanted, don't worry. I'll walk you through two reliable approaches, recovering from the trash and restoring an earlier state with version history. We'll keep it simple, clear, and thorough so you can get your work back quickly. First, let's recover a deleted file from the trash. Start by opening Figma, whether you are in the desktop app or a browser. Look to the left sidebar and click Trash. This is where Figma stores items you've removed, giving you a safety net before anything is permanently gone. Once the trash view is open, locate the file you want to bring back. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking its name and thumbnail. When you are sure, right-click the file and select Restore. Figma will immediately return that file to your drafts, which is your personal workspace. From drafts, you can open it as usual and continue working right where you left off. This process doesn't overwrite anything. It simply returns the file to a safe place so you can access it again. Now, let's restore work using version history. This is helpful if the file still exists, but you need to roll back to an earlier state. Open the Figma file where you lost work. At the very top center, click the file name to open the menu. Then choose Show Version History. Figma will display a sidebar on the right with a timeline of past versions. These snapshots are created automatically, so you can confidently browse your file's history. Click a version to preview it in the main canvas. Take a moment to look around the viewport, zoom in if needed, and verify that this is the content you want to bring back. When you've found the correct point in time, right-click next to that version and select Restore this version. Figma will make that snapshot the current state of your file. Nothing else is lost. You can always revisit version history again if you need to review or compare. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.